Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should not use Google Colab for cryptocurrency mining because it breaches service policies and can get your account suspended. Instead, you can use Colab for legitimate GPU experiments and blockchain development on testnets. Start by signing into Google, open a new Colab notebook, and enable GPU runtime. Install only approved Python packages and testnet clients. Once done, you can simulate mining behavior for learning without attempting to profit or abuse shared resources. Once your runtime has a GPU, install the libraries you need for experimentation. For example, use pip to add blockchain SDKs and simulation tools. Make sure to connect to a testnet node or a local emulator so you never expose real credentials or attempt real mining. You can write small scripts that reproduce hashing workloads to measure GPU performance, but always include clear limits and timeouts. Make sure to checkpoint work to Google Drive to avoid losing progress if the session ends. To finish, export your notebook and logs, then review resource use to confirm you stayed within acceptable limits. If you see errors about missing CUDA or unavailable GPUs, verify runtime settings and reinstall matching CUDA-compatible packages. If Colab flags your account or terminates sessions, stop using it for that task and migrate to a paid cloud VM or your own hardware with explicit permission. Remember, using Colab responsibly protects your account and the community. Treat simulations as learning tools, not production mining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.